Coach, so far, kumusta ang mga tune-up games ng Rain or Shine?
Okay naman, na nakadalawang tune-up game kami. Yung isa sa Converge, natalo kami pero okay naman. No? I think it's part of the adjustment period, long break, and then getting used again to our import si Aaron. Converge played a really good game against us. Then itong sa Macau, mukhang hindi pa sila kompleto at mukhang hindi pa sila nakakapag-practice ng gusto mo. They just got together. So, but at least it's it's a good way to get out of our regular practice routine and play games. Sabado may game na kami. It's a different format ngayon. No? You're only playing teams within your group twice. And then yung quarters best of 5, semis best of 5, finals best of 7. So ang importante rito siguro yung makabalik yung mga injured players namin. Na-miss namin talaga nung last conference. Si Luis is already playing, no? He's already there. Si Stanley and Felix na lang hinintay namin. I think they can come in this conference but towards the middle of the conference na siguro, no? Not right away. So yun lang importante, no? We're very happy with our import, with our lineup. Meron pa kaming konting inaayos dun sa mga kontrata ni Mamu tsaka ni Andre. Pero I'm hopeful that we can settle those in the next few days or weeks at the most. No? Pero because of the automatic extension that the league allows, wala namang problema for this conference. So yun lang siguro. Malaking bagay yung magkaroon kami ulit ng almost complete lineup, no? Medyo nung last conference series namin sa Ginebra, no, we thought we gave a good battle in the elimination round. In the semifinal round. Pero konti na lang tingin namin konti na lang makaka-breakthrough na kami. So we'll be very patient. We will work harder. We will try to improve the team in different ways. So tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari this conference.
Kung sasala kayo sa negotiations with them,
We have a firm offer on the table. Sila na lang siguro kailangan nilang pag-isipan pa. So the ball is really on their court. We're very happy with Mamu. No? I hope Mamu is happy with us. So siguro sa ganung condition tingin ko maaayos din naman yung kontrata.
Coach, you're saying na yung automatic, meaning they are until the end of the conference?
Yes.
So they can play
They can play without any problem or hindrance. Yun lang, pagkatapos ng conference namin, automatically pag hindi namin sila na-renew, expired yung contract nila. Okay.
how do you describe yung offer niya sa kanila?
I think it's very fair. No, it's also it's a 3-year contract, so that's also something na they're fairly secured, no, doon sa term ng contract. It's really up to them na lang. Mahal namin si Mamu, no? Mahal namin yung time we spent together, no? Na tingin namin nakinabang siya sa amin, nakinabang kami sa kanya. So hindi naman siya argabyado doon sa proposal. So siguro pinag-iisipan na nila ngayon.
Same goes with Andre 3 years din.
Hindi, si Andre, hindi pa na ano yung details ng kanya. No, hindi pa na straighten out. Kasi yun nga, we have the next 4 to 5 months to still be able to do that.
Hindi naman siya distraction.
I don't think so. They're very professional. You know, the way they play is the way they play, whether they have a long-term contract or not. Maayos yung treatment nila sa trabaho nila. That's also one thing na appreciate namin. They're very high character players. We're not worried about them being distracted or being demoralized just because they still don't have a long-term contract.